Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Lexus ES 300h. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a power seat, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.